Shalom friends! Kamusta kayong lahat? Here's another short sharing from the heart. Guys, alam mo meron akong sikreto na gustong i-share sa inyo. Gusto kong sabihin sa inyo na you don't have to be afraid to dream big. Kasi yung size ng dream mo is not the problem. Your faith is. Kasi I always have this thought na paulit-ulit na nasa isip ko at nasa puso ko na God didn't put the vision in your heart for you to stay small, comfortable, or average. Kasi naniniwala ako God gave you that vision in your heart for you to prosper and to be excellent in it. Kasi parang yung buto, di ba? Pag yung buto inawakan mo sa hand mo, di ba parang sobrang liit niya. Pero the reality is, sa loob niyang buto na yan, it can grow a whole big tree na hindi mo alam gaano kalaki. It is the same way na that dream that God placed inside you may look impossible today. But if you protect it, you work on it, and you stay faithful in it, it will grow eventually, and it will grow wonderfully. So, as a businessman today, I can tell you there will always be seasons of pressure, seasons na may mga uncertainty, or tumatagal, or nade-delay ka. But remember this, God doesn't grow businesses overnight. He grows people first. Tama? So guys, again, so always pray big, keep working hard, stay disciplined. Because tandaan mo to, yung faith mo is not just believing what God can do. Your faith every morning, waking up every day, acting like He already opened the door for you. Yun yung importante kasi one day, yung pangarap na talagang pinapag-pray mo, for sure, God will give it to you and it will become the blessing to you and your family. And most especially, it will also become a blessing to other people around you. So there, that's the secret. God bless everybody.